Hello everyone, it's Crystal again. I just wanted to share, I'm working on my October paper pumpkin and I'm converting the paper pumpkin comes with lined envelopes, 8 envelopes per package. I have 2 paper pumpkin boxes, so I will have 2 of everything that a normal box has. So I have 2 here. So I just wanted to, the envelope is lined. Let me just start there. This is Cherry Cobbler. This particular paper pumpkin box comes in 3 languages: English, French, and German. I think I showed that when I did the unboxing. So English, French, and German. So all of the envelopes are lined with Cherry Cobbler, and it has peace, joy, and love in all 3 languages. So I decided that I wanted to use the lining, this Cherry Cobbler lining, as a card layer. So I just wanted to show how I cut up. I have all my pieces out. Whenever I do a paper pumpkin, I take everything out of the box so I can see what I'm working with. So here's my envelope, and for this particular paper pumpkin, since it's going to be international, these are A4 size cards and A4 envelopes, which are slightly bigger than A2, but I knew I wanted to break it up anyway, so. But just to share that. So here's my paper trimmer. Take my envelope and open the flap so that I can see the lining. This line right here is where my blade will go. So I line up the envelope so that I'm just taking off enough of the side, enough of that side, and I do it on the other side as well, just so I can open up the envelope. So now I cut off both sides, and now my envelope is open. I'm going to cut this bottom part off, and I'm going to use that as I don't know, maybe just stamping sentiments. So just cut it off a little bit so that, see, a little bit of the Cherry Cobbler's there, so I know for sure that I have no white on the bottom. And just put that to the side because I'll use that for a sentiment. And here is the score line for the flap. So I'm going to cut a little bit below the score line because I can't use the area where the score line is. Just a little bit below that. So here's the fold still on that piece. So I can use this as a card layer. If I need to trim it down some more, I will, but this is a good piece for a card front layer. This is, let's see, this is 5.5 by 4 1/4. So theoretically, this could cover the entire front of the card. I'll probably just cut it in half so I get 2 pieces, but right now I'll just leave it whole. So I still have the flap. So I'm going to cut off where this fold is, just cut off a smidgen above the fold so I can use some of the flap as well. So here it is. This is where the fold was. Now this is trash. So now I'll just trim off where this white is and trim off where the adhesive is. And I'll have another piece that I can use as a layer. That's trash. And then just cut off where, right below the adhesive. because I don't need adhesive. So that's about 1.5. So by cutting off the envelope, I get this piece 5.5 by 4.25, which I'll probably cut down. And this is 1.5 by 5 or so. So I'm going to use these in my cards. And I just wanted to share that quick tutorial. If something else comes up while I'm creating, I will share that too. Thanks.